A massive opportunity is unfolding in the crypto market, and two meme coins, Floppy Pepe, FPPE, and Dogecoin, Doge, are at the center of it. With the bull market in full swing, these meme tokens show strong potential to multiply investments by 44x. Dogecoin, Doge, has already proven to be a market leader, but Floppy Pepe's FPPE pre-sale is where the biggest gains could come from. Priced at just $0.000002, it's attracting heavy demand as investors position themselves early for explosive growth in the bull market. As momentum builds, those who secure these meme coins now could be looking at life-changing returns in portfolios. Floppy Pepe, FPPE, the viral meme coin poised for explosive 44x surge in the bull market. Meme coins come and go, but Floppy Pepe, FPPE, sets the stage for something much bigger. In this bull market, it aims to outpace Dogecoin, Doge, as the leading meme coin for boosting investors' portfolios by 44x. The new viral meme token stands out due to its strategic features and record-setting performance in its ongoing pre-sale phase. In just 24 hours, Floppy Pepe's FPPE private pre-sale sold out, raising an impressive $907,200. With its public pre-sale in full swing, early investors can secure its tokens at an affordable $0.000002 before this fast-rising coin takes off. Floppy Pepe, FPPE, isn't just another meme coin riding the hype wave. It's packed with value-driven features designed to set it apart. Users can access the FloppyX AI agent, an interactive tool for generating animated videos that improve meme coin content. The AI-powered market intelligence implemented in the platform helps users make better decisions in the crypto market. Another fascinating feature of this meme coin is its rewards system, which allows token holders to receive benefits. Every transaction redistributes 3% of Floppy Pepe, FPPE, to the community, guaranteeing passive gains for long-term holders. Other token benefits, such as low-latency transactions, swift payments, and designed loyalty systems drive user engagement and platform profitability. A smart contract ordered by SolidProof strengthens the transparency and security claims within Floppy Pepe, FPPE. This AI token emerges as a top contender in the meme coin space as its pre-sale progresses. With analysts predicting over 44x portfolio growth, this pre-sale opportunity is one investors won't want to miss in the bull market. Dogecoin, Doge, faces a price plunge. Is 44x spike still in sight? Dogecoin, Doge, has been identified as one of the top meme coins with the potential to deliver 44x gains in this bull market. Analysts previously predicted that Dogecoin, Doge, could reach $1 by January 2025, but its recent price movement tells a different story. After hitting an all-time high of $0.50, Dogecoin, Doge, has dropped by 23% in the past month, now trading at $0.2527. Data from CoinMarketCap shows a further decline, with Dogecoin, Doge, losing over 6% on its weekly chart and more than 7% in the past 24 hours. The anticipated rally for this month is fading, and investor confidence has taken a hit. While Dogecoin, Doge, still holds long-term potential, its short-term struggles have left traders searching for better opportunities. Floppy Pepe, FPPE, has emerged as a strong contender. It is drawing attention as another meme coin projected to deliver 44x returns in this bull market. With its surging pre-sale and growing investor interest, it could be the breakout token that outpaces Dogecoin, Doge, in this cycle. Wrapping up, Floppy Pepe, FPPE, offers a smooth payment option for everyday crypto transactions, similar to Brett and Pepe coins, removing the need for currency conversions. Holding its token grants investors access to premium features, offering them tools to strengthen their portfolios and refine their financial strategies. Staking Floppy Pepe, FPPE, also comes with exclusive rewards, including NFTs, token bonuses, and a steady flow of passive income. Its pre-sale is gaining traction fast, and investors who lock in tokens at $0. 0.00000 to stand a chance to see their portfolios flip by 44x in this bull market.